TT285N12KOF by uscomponent.com. The TT285N12KOF is a high-performance Thyristor module from Eupec, designed for industrial power applications. This module offers a maximum current rating of 285A and a voltage rating of 1200V, ensuring robust and efficient power control. With its advanced semiconductor technology, the TT285N12KOF provides reliable performance, low power losses, and efficient thermal management. Ideal for use in power converters, motor drives, and industrial automation systems, it guarantees long-term reliability and durability. Eupec's TT285N12KOF is a trusted choice for engineers seeking high-quality and dependable power solutions in demanding industrial environments. Ready to buy TT285N12KOF? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.